funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new.
Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something so exciting. We're going to be going house hunting, and I am so excited and so ready. So if you are interested in watching us go search for our new home, keep on watching.
Probably use that right there to pull that boat.
So this is the first house we're going to go see. I'm excited.
Yeah. Anything that the paint that has like a closet or a door, y'all are more than welcome to open it.
Okay. Because I do need to see. Oh, so this is the laundry room.
Don't open that door, they got a dog in there.
Okay. Large dog in the garage. You want to see the
You turn the lights on.
Chris? I couldn't find it earlier.
Oh, it does. Yeah, do not open that door.
large dog in the garage. So this is a nice entry.
This house is what? 2877, almost 2900 square feet.
Okay.
432.
I like the decorations.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, he sure is. What is this? A coat closet. Yeah. This must be the half bath. Oh no, this is storage. That's good.
We used to have one of these.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, under closet. We used to fit the heck out there. Put some stuff up in Christmas gifts and everything. Yeah, you can.
I like how open it is.
You barely went in that joke. You don't win that joke, but fill it up. Put some more stuff in there.
So that's wood burning.
Something like Polly. Here's a picture of the house too. Here.
Okay.
Picture just in case.
I like the high ceilings in here.
It's been on the market 94 days.
Oh, it's small. It look bigger than this on mine.
Yeah, they stretch that. All you gotta do is get in the right corner.
Right.
That lens on you. You wanna know what?
So this is one of the reasons it's still on the market.
What about the small?
The backyard.
Nothing with that.
Nothing.
Well, ain't like we do much in the backyard while I'm at work. I know that's right. So you drive trucks, huh?
I like the kitchen.
At nighttime, so okay. I can't take care of it in the daytime, but when I do, good. I didn't clean up pay somebody.
Storage. Oh, here's the half bath.
It's the master right here.
Mm-hmm. That's decent.
Bathroom in here?
Yeah. It's nice and light and airy.
Huh?
It's airy. Dang, this thing is low.
Yes, this house was built in 2002.
Oh, okay.
Let's go into the garage. I guess.
No, that's a closet.
That should be a closet. Yeah, that should be no double garage. Yeah. Yeah, this.
Let me see. Chris, answer that. Yeah, it's not much bigger, but oh well, they got this back here too. They did a horrible job right here too. You can have it. Yeah.
You want to be ready, I would say this price.
Exactly.
Unless it was valued at another $100,000.
Okay, so we just saw our first house, and it's a no for us because,
Backyard, first of all.
he hates the backyard, which I did too. I don't even know if I got that on camera. It was like no backyard at all. It was probably what? Not even 10 feet long.
The house is pretty much the majority of the whole thing.
Yes, but the house is nice and big and beautiful.
Onto St. John's
But
Drive.
turn this down.
Literally forced kiss everything. The house along the backyard, man, that was hitting the whole acres of the land.
Yes. So pretty much it's a nice, beautiful, big home. But when you get up close and you start looking at all the details, it needs a lot of work done. And they're already asking $304,000, so that's way too much. With all the work that needs to be done, like they did a horrible job. But you can tell they DIY, like they try to do it themselves. But they did a horrible job doing the cabinets. Like they didn't do the handles right. And with me being an interior designer, I'm noticing all this stuff. So they did the cabinets wrong. They did the backsplash wrong. All the grout is just like coming out of it. All the baseboards is wrong. The crown molding has paint all over it. The ceiling has paint from when they try to paint the walls. And the bathroom, the tile from that backsplash was done wrong. It was just a bunch of little different things. So it's a no for us all. On to the next one.
Huh? No, it's what's that?
That light.
I was like, I ain't got time for this shit. I look right on camera.
I love this door.
When I seen that, I was like, man. I forgot y'all was following. I said, I gotta quit driving like this. The one that called him, man, she was like, man, what's this light doing to this? Yeah. Like,
And then the other light turned.
oh, it did?
Yes.
It's an empty house.
Yeah, I love empty houses. Knock knock.
Home sweet home. Yeah, I like that.
Home sweet home.
Huh? I like that if I know what it is.
It's a barn door, a sliding barn door. I love it.
What? To a closet?
It's a sliding barn
That's the
door.
latest. People love that.
I love it. Oh, I love that.
Game room.
Close off the whole master suite side.
Oh, is this something?
This is nice.
Oh, I see it. Huh?
This is so nice and spacious. Oh, and look at the backyard from the master. Oh, I really like this already. Babe, you need to check out the bathroom. Oh, I like the marble floors. The nice big window. The high ceilings. Got a walk-in shower. Huge closet, yes. This is exactly what I need for all my stuff. No, that's what she said. I've already called dibs on it. Yes, I did. Come look at the closet. Yes, now this is a true walk-in. Do you hear me? This one's got me excited. The other one didn't have me excited. Got my little vanity area. Okay, yes. I like this house already. All I've seen is, let's see. Oh, this is the half bath. I thought it was gonna be a closet. Half bath. It's pretty good, pretty decent. The trim work looks good in here. Look at this. Oh, this is the closet. It's a half bath.
Oh, so that's what it closes on.
Oh, I love this door like this.
That is the latest stuff people are doing. I'm surprised to see that.
Yeah, it is the latest. So this must be the garage. Okay, this is nice and big. The dining room. Nice dining room. Kitchen over there. Steps up. Nice large living area. I love all the natural light in here.
It's locked out. It's locked.
Let's go check out the backyard. I love the landscaping back here. Oh, this is so cute. And then when the trees come in, they're all mature and all the leaves. Oh. And then we got this pergola. They already got some lights. I need to keep those. Oh, this is so, I like this. And then we got the high privacy fence. Yes, this is really nice and quaint. I could do a lot back here. This backyard is really nice. And then the kitchen over here. So we got the kitchen. Pretty basic. We'll have to buy a fridge. But it has nice counter space. Let's see. Okay, so I got 3 high shelves. I'll just take this out and put in a new countertop with backsplash, and that'll all look good. What is this? Oh my God, look at this pantry. Yes. Now this is a pantry. It's nice and walk in. You got all this space for storage. Oh my God. And then you have this huge laundry room in here with a window. This is a huge laundry room slash pantry. And then we go to the dining room for here. Well, we took out the closet doors. So we'll have to buy closet doors for this one. And then there's nobody right behind us. That's good. Nice size linen closet. There's lots of storage in here. All the closets are nice and big. Okay, y'all, so we just seen the second house and I absolutely love it. You love it, babe? Mm-hmm. It was so nice, like just everything. I loved everything about it. I love that barn door that separates the, you know, the master suite from everything else. The big bay windows in the back. I did. The garage was nice and spacious. We had a formal dining room. The upstairs had a separate play area for the kids. Oh my God, the closet was huge. That's like a super plus. The appliances weren't new, but they were still stainless steel and in good condition. Oh, the laundry room was huge. The pantry was huge. I had the 3 separate bedrooms upstairs. It had that nice shed in the back. It's just the freaking landscaping was amazing. Our house just had a lot of good stuff for us. However, he said go around. However, we did.
I ain't loading up on top.
Okay. Here. Where are we? You can go this way, babe? You can go this way?
So send me back that way anyway.
You should have let them go by there, I guess. And I forgot where I was. Oh, the landscaping was amazing. Oh, that's where I was. We did run into one problem. So they don't have a refrigerator in there, which is fine. We'll have to get our own. But when they turned the freaking water off for the refrigerator, they did not turn it off all the way. So the valve has been leaking this slow little drip over. I don't know how long it's been leaking like that, but it's been leaking for some time. And now the storage closet under the stairs, it has water and it smells like mold in there. So that could be a potential problem. But other than that, we are wanting to put an offer on that house. But we are also headed to house number 3. So stay tuned.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.